Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Bikini pattern top Rudi has a lot of tutorials. You can sew it as a bikini or as a bra, but on today's tutorial it will be short. It's not an extended tutorial, it's not a sew along, but you can check in this one how we created the effects, the look of a continuous wire without having a continuous wire. So we tried to fake a continuous wire by using two regular wires instead of a Uniwire. Let's start. So now comes the fun part. I have skipped all the other sew along that is exactly the same as we had on our Rudi Uniwire version. And what I'm gonna do now is, if you take a look at the wire that I'm gonna be using today, this is the center with the color. And of course the curve is not the same because the pattern was not designed for this one, but it will adjust, I know. And I'm gonna put the channel here, and you can already see that I'm gonna have a little bit of wire coming out here. So the amount of wire channel that I want is the same from twice this wire length plus a little bit more because of the curve that it's going to be in the middle here. But I'm gonna reverse this using the side hole, both of them, and I'm gonna apply the channel, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna improvise this. On this one today, I actually inserted the adjuster on the back because I don't like to have my straps on my neck. So I sew them here, and I sew this on the back so that I can close them there. Well, so we are gonna start by applying this on the edge here, and we will come just like we did on the other one. We will come here, and then we will try with the ring, and we will see how much we need to do the symmetric size. Okay, I already know that if I stick this here, the channels stretch a little bit, so you have to be careful when you cut before. But it's something like twice as this, and then a little bit more. Okay, so I would say probably, let me think, probably here. So I will need at least this. But I'm not gonna cut for now. I'm gonna put a clip. I'm not gonna cut for now. I'm gonna start by sewing it, as I told you, here on one of the sides, then on the other, on the opposite, just coming along here, and I will be back here. So I have sewn one of the sides in place, just like I told you. And if we place our wire it comes all the way up here. And now when we are going to sew the other one, we know that we need to start sewing from the reverse position. So here, let me mark this. Yeah. So this is the spot that I need to make sure it starts here. Okay? So the wire channel is sewn in place. I used contrasting thread, but if you want, you can use matching threads. So you won't see the threads because the channeling is very fluffy. I'm gonna cut here, cut all the threads, and I'm gonna place my wire on this side. And you will see another version of the Rudi with the underwire. And now I'm gonna put it on to see how it goes. Well, I still need to place the clasp here on the back, which is something you already know how to do it. And then I want to check out how this works, because this is not Uniwire, so it has a little bit of stretch here and it will move a little bit, but I'm still very curious to see how it fits and how it looks. I'm still gonna do something. I removed the wires so I can sew on the channel. Unfortunately, I don't have pink matching threads, and this should be something made discreet, so I'm gonna try and find some pink similar. So I cut it a little bit of fabric from the stabilizer, which has no stretch, and I'm gonna stabilize the middle here, the center here. Okay, I'm gonna do it very carefully so that I still have the channel so my wire can still go in, but I'm gonna try and stitch it there on that edge and on this edge also. And here it is, the final result. I'm gonna show you on my body, but I'm quite happy about it. And that's it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye.